Good afternoon and welcome to The Good Plate. Today we're making hamburger steak stuffed with blue cheese. Okay, first I'm going to season the meat. I'm going to put some black pepper. This is a chef and pepper ball. It's one-handed. Go like that and just squeeze. And the pepper comes out. Very simple. And a little salt. Not very much, just a little, like that much. Not that much. Alright, because we're going to be putting cheese in there, and cheese is already salty. And then just lightly with a fork. Mix it together. You don't want to handle it too much because it'll get tough. And we don't want that to happen. Now, it's important to measure things out so that you know for sure exactly how much you're giving each person. In this case, I'm making 2 of these little steaks, so this is actually pretty easy. Now, if I take my digital scale right here and turn it on, it's a wonderful scale. It does ounces, does pounds, it's great. Grams, it's great. Okay, so put it to 0. All right. You see mine is at ounces. And I'm going to put this on here, and you will see, oh, that's 47 ounces. That's a little bit much. That's not right. Okay, so we're going to do, we're going to take this smaller bowl, empty bowl, any empty bowl is fine, and we're going to put it on here. And you see now it's at 3.6 ounces, okay, and I'm going to put it to 0. All right, now take this meat that I've seasoned and put it in here carefully. Here we go. And we have 20.04. That's 20 ounces. Now this is simple, it's 2 people, so that's 20 divided by 2 is 10. And since we're going to be stuffing these, I'm actually going to take 2 patties and put them together. It becomes 5 ounces. So we are looking for 5 ounces. And here's a cutting board, keep things nice and clean. I'm going to use this patty maker, makes things very simple. And I'm going to put, oops, I'm going to, when I get to 15, because 20 minus 5 is 15, 20 divided by 4 is 5. So when I get to 15, I know that it's time, 14.71, too much. 13, 14.99. That'll work. Spread this out around a little bit with my hands. Take another 5 ounces out. So that'll be 10. Looking for 10. A little bit more. 10.23. That'll work. 10.02. And put a piece of cheese. 1, 2. This on top of here. I'm going to take that fork I had last time, and just like you do with a pie, I'm just going to seal these edges a little bit. Put this in a nice oval shape, and these are going to be ready to go. And we'll show you how they look after we've cooked them. And there you have it, hamburger steak stuffed with blue cheese. These are topped with more blue cheese, sauteed mushrooms, and a pan sauce. They're accompanied by rosemary steak fries. Thank you for watching, and see you next time on The Good Plate. Bye-bye for now.